Hey guys, with another wig review for you guys. So today I am reviewing another daily wig, you guys, and it is by Outre. So the first one in the review, you guys, was the bob. So this one is called Cheryl, and the color is number 2 that I am wearing right now, you guys. So this wig is almost the same thing as the other wig that I reviewed, which is the bob, you guys. So this right here is premium synthetic fibers as well, a natural blowout texture, pre-plucked and hand-tied lace part, and pre-attached elastic band, breathable mesh cap, and heat and styling friendly. So you can apply heat to this wig as well. So you guys, I must say this, with that elastic band, you do not need, I promise you do not need to use your adjustable straps in the bag. Like, oh my god, this wig is super snug and it ain't going nowhere at all. So it also comes in different colors as well. This one also came with a little brochure. I don't know where I put it at, but it's somewhere. I think it fell on the floor. But it also came with a little brochure. But this right here is what the stock card looks like. Also on the back, it does come with how the front and the back looks, you guys. So, and it also comes with how to care for your synthetic wig as well. So, as far as texture, the texture is just the same. I must say that they are really good with the same texture as the other wig, you guys. It's really the same. It's just longer to me. Shedding wise, I did get a little bit of shedding right here, but that's because I really had to really comb this wig a little bit, you know what I'm saying, when I was putting it on. But as far as I'm concerned, running my fingers through it, I'm not getting any tangling, you guys. I'm not getting any more shedding. I did go in and put a little bit of my powder in my parting, as I do with all wigs. If I feel like it don't need it, you guys already know I will tell you that. But I did go in with a little bit of powder with this wig as well. I didn't apply any heat to this wig because I felt like this wig did not need it as either. So this wig is just straight out the box, putting it on my head and manipulating and playing with it to see how I wanted to style this wig as well. I didn't really like it like this, so I just decided to go in and place it behind my ear. So as I was saying, I just decided to put this part behind my ear. I just like it like that. It looks really good. I don't know, but this right here is what the wig is giving with both sides from behind my ear. This is what the wig is looking like. I'm gonna show you guys the length as well. This right, so that is the length of this unit, you guys. Texture is so soft, and you can tell, like I said, that it is blowout texture as well. So I really don't have bad things to say about this wig. I like it. I did get a little bit of shedding while I was combing it, maybe because I got a little tangles when I was applying this wig. But as far as I'm concerned right now, you guys are not getting any tangling. I'm not getting any shedding. I love that it came with a little bit of luster, you guys. I didn't apply any products to this unit as well. You cannot go in and put baby hairs out because obviously you just get lace right here in the middle for a part, and that is it. But yeah, you guys, that is all that I really have to say about this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed the installing process, and I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you like this video, please, you guys, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below and let me know your thoughts on this unit as well. I will leave all Sam's Beauty's information in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to check them out. And yeah, you guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.